Hello friends, I am Arjon. From today, we will start the video of tenses. But first of all, we have to know where did the word tense origin from. Let's take a look. So we can see on the board that is the word tense originates from the Latin language. It comes from the Latin word tempus, which means time. Later, it appeared in Old French as temps or tensi, which also means time. In the English language, it was adopted as tense and began to be used in a grammar to indicate the time of a verb. So guys, we have already understood the origin from tense, and we have already understood that is where did this word origin from. But we have to understand that is why tense is so important. So tenses tell us that is it's expressed to English whenever we communicate with someone. We have to use an English tense. Whether we can say I work, I am working, I have worked, or I had worked, based on English tenses. But if you tell these words not correctly, if you tell these words not correctly and the structure is not isn't correct, so this tense might not make a sense, and people can misunderstood to us. So in this series, we will learn all tenses, basic level to advanced level, and we will practice together, and we will use all tenses by correctly in our daily life. And we can practice, we can see an example and make make many types of examples of tenses that we gradually use in our daily life. Okay, so in this series we will learn step by step, and we can take a knowledge about tense. Okay, so it is the first video, and we have already we have already known about the origin of tense. So next video we will start the tense. Okay, so stay tuned with us, and don't forget to like, comment, follow, and share. And bye bye everyone. See you in the next video.